In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site on Wix. Whether you need to take your website offline temporarily, make some important updates, or simply remove it from public view, this step-by-step guide will help you unpublish your site with ease. Wix provides a straightforward way to manage the visibility of your site, and today I'll walk you through the process to make sure everything is clear and simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Make sure you're using a reliable and up-to-date browser for the best experience. Once you're on the Wix homepage, log in to your account using your username and password. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard right away. If not, simply enter your credentials and proceed. Once you're logged in, take a look at your dashboard here. You'll see a list of all the websites associated with your Wix account. Find the site you want to unpublish. If you have multiple sites under your account, make sure you're selecting the correct one. This is an important step because any changes you make will only apply to the site you choose. Click on the specific site you want to unpublish. This will open up the editor interface for that particular website. Now turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a navigation panel with several options. From this panel, click on Settings. The Settings section is where you'll manage all the technical and administrative details of your website. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Website Settings. It should be easy to spot as it's clearly labeled on the page. Click on Website Settings, and this will take you to a new page with various options related to your site's configuration and visibility. Now, scroll through the Website Settings page until you find the option to unpublish your site. This is the key feature that allows you to take your website offline. It's typically located near the bottom of the settings page, so take your time to locate it. When you found the Unpublish option, click on it. A prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm this action. This confirmation step is important because once you unpublish your site, it will no longer be accessible on the internet. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm the action. And that's it. Your site is now unpublished and it's no longer visible to the public. You can always come back and republish it whenever you're ready. So don't worry if you need to make further changes or updates before bringing it back online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.